Welcome back to MsVegan's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making these delicious Caprese stuffed Portobello mushrooms. They're my absolute favorite. I hope you like it too. Enough talking, let's get started. First up, we'll start with our marinade by adding in some melted butter, some balsamic vinegar, a pinch of garlic pepper, and some garlic. Now we'll whisk that until the butter and balsamic has mixed really well. And then now it's time to prep our Portobello mushrooms. Onto a prepared baking sheet, we'll go ahead and place our Portobello mushrooms. Now we've removed the stems and scooped out the inside. We're going to place those cap side up, and then we'll brush the tops generously with the marinade we made. And then once we have all of our caps brushed with the marinade, we will then flip each of them over. Once they've all been flipped over, we'll go ahead and now generously brush the insides of our Portobello mushroom caps with our marinade. We want to brush them all generously, but leave just a little bit of marinade to brush on top once they're stuffed. And now that they've been brushed, it's time to go ahead and stuff the mushrooms. First up, we're going to start with a vegan mozzarella. Today we're using miyokos soft vegan mozzarella. You can use shreds if that's all you have. We want to go ahead and press down that cheese into each of the caps generously. We're using about 8 ounces of cheese here. And now we'll go ahead and add in our cherry tomatoes. You can fit usually between 4 and 6 cherry tomatoes on each cap, depending on the size, and make sure you press those down really well into the vegan cheese. And now we'll go ahead and take that marinade that we saved and brush it on top of each of our caps. And now it's time to bake. We'll bake at 450 for 8 to 10 minutes. I like to also place them under the broiler for the last 2 to 3 minutes. Makes those tomatoes nice and roasted. And now we'll go ahead and top each one with a pinch or 2 of freshly chopped basil. And then once we have our basil placed on top, it's time for our balsamic glaze drizzle. And balsamic glaze is basically a balsamic vinegar reduction. You can easily find this in stores, or if you like, you can make it on your own. Just look up, there's several recipes. And now that we have all of our caps topped with our glaze, it's time to season with a little bit of salt. Now this is optional, but I like it. And there you have the most delicious Caprese stuffed Portobello mushrooms. They come together so easy, they're beautiful, they're delicious. What more could you ask for? I'll go ahead and leave the full recipe in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya!